In the quiet woods and lush meadows, a hidden world thrives, one that connects us directly to the earth. Foraging, an age-old practice, is about more than just gathering berries. It's a journey into nature's pantry. Imagine a chef equipped only with a basket and a keen sense of adventure, uncovering wild herbs and mushrooms that tell stories of centuries past. These ingredients not only invigorate dishes with fresh flavors, but also foster a deep connection to local ecosystems, changing the way we think about food sourcing. As urban dwellers become more conscious of sustainability, foraging emerges as a bridge, linking tradition with contemporary culinary innovation.